Thread tightening is a key step in the assembly of quick couplers, and it directly affects the sealing and service life of the coupler. Align the component's threads and use a wrench to gently tighten them, ensuring proper engagement of the threads to avoid cross-threading. Ensure that the sealing ring or other sealing components are correctly positioned and free of displacement or deformation. If resistance is felt during tightening, stop and check for debris or thread damage. When using an electric torque wrench for final tightening, care should be taken to apply the appropriate force. Excessive torque can damage the threads or crush the sealing components, while insufficient torque may cause leakage.